My name is Mike. I am the UGC dad, and let me tell you what's happening this week. So I just received a deal from an agency out in England who asked me to review supplements of some kind of vitamin. So they send me the product. It's taken a while to get here, and I had to film it in the kitchen. My kitchen is a disaster. So what I've done is I've rented the local kitchen at our library, because they have like a training kitchen, and it's pretty cheap actually. It's like $60 for a couple hours Canadian. So that's where I'm going to film it, and they're going to pay me, I think, $200 US. So that's not I'm spending some to make some, but on the flip side, I'm also getting a chance to try out this kitchen, because if it works out well, and then I line up say 2 or 3 deals, then I can shoot them all at once in this kitchen. And I might shoot something else in there too. I just haven't decided what it's going to be yet. So you got to kind of be improvising all the time when you're making UGC videos. But yeah, it's keeping me busy that way. I did just review a bicycle for a company. That was a gifted collab, which means that they gave me the bicycle in exchange for the video. And the bicycle's $1,000, so I'm not complaining about that. I do have a few gifted collabs that I do, and they're usually, I like to stick around in excess of $200 for the product, because that way it allows me to at least recoup some money if I have to sell it or do whatever I have to do, or sometimes I re-gift it, at the holidays. But that is your week. Just doing a ride along here with the UGC creator. Once again, my name is Mike. I call myself the UGC dad, but more like a YouTube dad. Okay, I'm gonna walk my dog on this beautiful Saturday morning up here in Wasaka Beach, because she sniffs everything. Winter's coming. What a beautiful morning though. You see these little waves that have washed up on the beach? Those are called microwaves.